What up, y'all? It's GBS here. Had to change up the name a little bit just so it's not so confusing. But today we're gonna do the door hinge. I don't know if y'all can see, but it sags. Not even. Y'all can tell it's right here. So we're gonna be replacing the door hinges today. I got two here, but obviously I'm gonna just do the left side because the right side is good. So yeah, that's what today's video is gonna be. I'm probably gonna set the phone up to the side so y'all can see the process. But yeah, if I need to do an explanation, I'll just show y'all. I have my door panel off because my shit was cracked. So yeah, it just looks naked right now, but y'all can see how much this thing moves. You can see there's some bolt missing right here. So that's why I'm replacing the door hinge. And I'll show you how to take out the harness and stuff, just so it's not in the way. So you want to disconnect the negative, so you can disconnect the harness out the door. This is the harness. You can take the door trim off. Just take this trim off so y'all can take the carpet off. And then we're gonna disconnect the harness. After y'all disconnect the harnesses, y'all can just wiggle this a little bit and it'll show you where they go from. But it was this one right here, this one, then there was one right next to it, which is blue, and then one all the way back there. That one was the most difficult to take out, but yeah, once you take those off, it should be pretty simple. Just feed the harness through and then take it out, and that should be it, and then we can get to unscrewing the bolts. So we're gonna need a 12 to take off the door hinge. That's pretty much it. We're gonna get to it. It's just awkward to grab.
We'll put it next to the tree.
Boom. Once you take it off, how many bolts did we take off? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. And then these are the holes they went into. I did a couple sanding right here. Saw the rust and stuff. Got it off. But yeah, as y'all can see, that's it. That's pretty much it. This is a door. Y'all can see this is pretty worn out. It's done for. Now we gotta take this one, and one at the bottom, I believe. And then yeah, we'll get the harness through. This is pretty ripped right there. It's pretty common. But oh well, I'll probably just tape it with some electrical tape. But that's it. Alright, so after we take this off, it's 4 bolts. 4, like I said. This is ripped, but oh well. But yeah, as y'all can see, this door hinge is pretty worn out. You can see it's kind of bending and stuff. It's not even straight no more. So yeah, I mean, I can see some of this stuff is pretty messed up. So that's how we're changing it. Out with the old and with the new. I'll show you what this new one looks like. So this is what the new one looks like. It's pretty straight. Definitely better than the one I have, so we'll give this a try. And y'all can see it's pretty stable. Nothing's moving. So yeah. To a problem. I don't know if y'all see that middle hole right there. There's 3 at the bottom. 3 at the bottom. And there's 3 at the top. But for some reason this is covered. So the last owner must have, I don't know what the hell he did, but he must have did something with that hole. And now I'm missing one hole. So hopefully that doesn't damage anything or make it sag. But yeah, that's pretty much it. While my door was off though, I went ahead and hit this little rust spot I had right there just to get it all even. Since it's harder to get with the door on. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Door's about to go back on.
It's better this way than the other way, though, I think. Because now you're more aerodynamic. No me entiende. Es que when I tightened it, we tightened it down at an angle. It's not straight. Oh. Ooh! What? It's catching right there. Go! It's catching right there. Oh. Pull it. Here, hold on. Pull it back. No, this way. No? Dale, pull it. Should I lift it up? Or down? ¿Cómo le doy? Open it. Go. See it? No. Oh, bro. How we gotta take off the fender. So I'm pretty sure y'all can tell, but in this part of the video, we ran into an issue where we tightened the bolts, but we didn't have the door
up at the correct level, I guess you could say, and it was too much downwards instead of being up in the center. So we had to loosen up the bolts again and just lift up the door. I ended up taking off the fender and stuff, which I didn't have to do. I just didn't think outside of the box. I made the situation more complicated than it was, and yeah, I took off the fender for no reason. But after that, we just leveled it up and then tightened the bolts, and then my door was catching onto that fender. So what I ended up finding out was that from it sagging so long, the fender started pulling back to the outside. So I just had to get a rubber hammer and use something flat and smack those ends of that fender in, and then I was able to open the door. So that's just something to keep in mind, and yeah, we'll get back into the video. So we did have a problem where I thought this wasn't lining up because I'm missing the black gum piece from here. Oh shit. Door's good though, closes. Now we just have to get this back in place and we should be good. We are done. The door hinge is in. Wires connected. I did have to smack this in a little bit with a rubber hammer, just because it was all bent out from the door being so loose for like 3 years, I believe. Quite a bit, but smack that in and now it doesn't catch. It's flush. Now you can see it lines up. We're all done.